the last stanza of the poem says, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Now, here a number of ifs again. It says, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lost the common touch. It means we should stay in touch with people from every class of the society, irrespective of whether they belong to the higher society or the middle class or the lower class. We should be able to talk with the common people without losing our virtue or the moral values. You must have seen it on the roads. If the people, someone is talking to a person who is not as much, who is of lower than class of him, then you must have seen the behavior or the way of talking. And if someone is talking to a person who is of the higher class, you see the change. So it is said that if you are talking to a person, we should be able to talk to all the people with the common mass also, with the common people also, without losing our virtue or moral values. Again, we should be able to walk with the kings without going beyond the reach of the common people. We should be able to walk with kings without going away from the reach of the common people. Means even if you are walking with the king, you should be able to communicate, you should be easily approachable or equally approachable to the common people also. Means if you have become something big, suppose you are working on a very senior position or at a higher post at some place, it does not mean that you should treat the other people who are working at the lower position in a bad way. Your behavior should remain as good as possible with all the virtues and all the moral values that you have. The common touch would help us to realize the reality and feel the needs of the society. See, you are at a senior position because there are people low at the lower positions. So you need the society, even for if we talk about the higher class or the middle class or the lower class, then we need people for this also. If we will remove the middle class or the higher class from the society, sorry, middle class or the lower class, only the higher class will be there, then how would you feel superior? You are at a higher position because people are there lower than you. That does not mean you are allowed or you have got all the rights to treat them in a bad manner. No. You should behave them properly with all your values and the moral ethics. On the other hand, the noble touch would give us the power and the opportunity to reach higher goals, because somewhere they will help you to achieve your goals which are higher and higher and higher. Next, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, it means we should build ourselves strong enough mentally and physically so that neither enemies nor your dear friends can hurt you. Again, that we have discussed in the third stanza, that mentally and physically we should be so strong that neither your enemies nor your friends can hurt you. Moreover, we should develop healthy relationship with everyone around us. It does not, if you are so much close to someone, that does not mean you will maintain distance from other people unnecessarily. You should have a healthy relationship with everyone and should not allow anyone to harm you. If it happens, then you have to do what you need to do, the things we have discussed in the three paragraphs. But from your side, you should not give the chance, you should not give the opportunity to anyone so that someone can hurt you. We have to develop our personality the right way so that everyone supports us and gives us importance. People can count on us, people count us, but not too much. Because if the people will depend on you only too much, then also it is a problem. We have discussed, you must have heard that in excess everything is bad. अति का भला न बोलना, अति की भली न चूक, अति का भला न बरसना, अति की भली न धूप. Means everything in a limit is good, but if it will be in excess, then it would be harmful. So not too much. If we allow someone to give us too much importance, what would happen? We may be emotionally bound. That may restrict our freedom or prevent us from doing our duty, or we may be so much connected thinking that we are so much liked by the people, thus reducing our effort. Because when you think that people are liking you already so much, then obviously you will reduce it effort that already I am very much dear to the people, to the society, so I need not to do more. So it is not asked here that you should not get emotionally attached. You can, but not too much. Your emotional attachment should not come in your way for achieving your goals or for doing anything. So there has to be a balance everywhere in the life. Next, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Time is precious, every one of us is aware. A minute filled with 60 seconds. Minute means the time which is called here is unforgiving. All of us know that time never forgives everyone, or the time does not come back. So as it waits for none and does not forgive who waits, we should utilize every minute of our life. Means every second. 1 minute has 60 seconds, so we should utilize all those 60 seconds of our life in our productive work. Wasting time is not something we can afford in a short lifespan. Here the whole lifespan is called a short lifespan. Your is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Finally comes the achievement that we can get if we fulfill the conditions that are mentioned so far. What you need to do in different circumstances. If you are able to do all that, you can have the achievements. We can win the earth and everything in it. We can go on the top of the world and rule over everything. But condition is if you are able to do whatever we have discussed so far in this poem. And what is more, we should be a complete and perfect human being. If we have started the poem that to be a human being or for being the human being. So all these are the conditions. If you will do this, you will be you will be a perfect human being. So we should not forget all these things that are mentioned here. And in this poem, at last it is written, you will be a man, my son. So he wrote his poem for his son, as it is addressed in the very last line. The poem wanted to show his son the right way to be a future leader, but it has inspired us also and everyone who reads this poem in their journey of life on the earth so far.